In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do fast feet from side to side on a step up. So this is a cardiovascular exercise and one that's great for boosting your heart rate and improving your fitness. And all you need is just a step. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to place one foot in the middle of the step. Now this step's really cool because it actually has a marker for me to aim for each time I do my repetitions, and I'm aiming for the middle of the step at all times. Why is that important? Well, if I was to come too far to the sides, there's a chance that one, I could slip off, and also as well, I could bring this step up into a tilt, so it could fall over. It's really important, especially if using one of these step ups, the smaller ones, that you actually use something that is going to be a marker in the middle of the step up to kind of almost aim for each repetition. So I've got one foot completely on the step up, pointing forwards. From here, my left leg is going to jump into the exact same position as my right leg as my right leg comes down. So left leg wants to be in the position of my right leg comes down, and that looks like this. Once you then get into the habit of that jump, one side's coming in, one side's coming out, you can start to do these quicker for a more cardiovascular element, and that would look like this. Each time, I'm looking at the middle, trying to get my foot in as close to the middle as possible of the step up. That's how to do fast feet from side to side on a step up, and repeat that for your desired sets and repetitions.